Forsythia x intermedia information. Forsythia x intermedia, commonly known as border forsythia or golden bell, is a hybrid of two Forsythia species, Forsythia suspensa and Forsythia viridissima. It is a deciduous shrub that is widely cultivated for its beautiful yellow flowers that appear in early spring. Here are some key features and information about Forsythia x intermedia. Size and growth. Border Forsythia grows up to 8 to 10 feet tall and wide. It has a fast growth rate and can reach its full size in 5 to 7 years. Leaves. The leaves of Forsythia x intermedia are dark green and oval shaped, and they are arranged alternately along the stem. They grow up to 3 inches long. Flowers. The flowers are the main attraction of border Forsythia. They are bright yellow, bell-shaped, and appear in clusters along the stems before the leaves emerge in early spring. Each flower is about 1 inch long and has 4 petals. Fruit. After flowering, border Forsythia produces small, brownish fruit capsules that contain numerous small seeds. Growing conditions. Forsythia x intermedia prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is relatively tolerant of drought and pollution. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 to 8. Landscape use. Border Forsythia is commonly used in mass plantings, as a hedge or screen, or as a specimen plant. Its bright yellow flowers add a splash of color to the landscape in early spring. Pruning. Forsythia x intermedia blooms on old wood, so pruning should be done immediately after flowering to avoid removing the flower buds for next year's blooms. Pests and diseases. Border Forsythia is generally disease-free and not prone to pests, but it may be affected by leaf spot, canker, and twig blight in some cases. Overall, Forsythia x intermedia is a beautiful and easy-to-grow shrub that adds color and interest to the landscape in early spring.